Hello students, in today's session we are going to see about the types of fuels. So today we are going to see about the compressed natural gas and liquefied petroleum gas. So we are going to see about the introduction to natural gas, composition and LPG. So what is natural gas? Natural gas is found above the oil in oil wells. It is also called marsh gas. It consists of methane and other saturated hydrocarbons. The average composition of the natural gases, the methane, it is about 88.5%, ethane 5.5, propane 4, butane 1.5, pentane 0.5. Its calorific value varies from 12,000 to 14,000 kilocalories per meter cube. If natural gas contains lower hydrocarbons like methane and ethane, it is called lean or dry gas. If the natural gas contains higher hydrocarbons like propane, butane along with methane, it is called rich or wet gas. Uses: it's used as a domestic and industrial fuel. It's used as a raw material for the manufacture of carbon black and hydrogen. It's also used for generation of electricity by using it in the fuel cell. So when the natural gas is compressed, it is called the CNG or compressed natural gas. The primary component present in CNG is methane. It's mainly derived from natural gas, and the natural gas can either be stored in a tank of a vehicle as compressed natural gas at 3000 or 3600 psi, or as the liquefied natural gas LNG at typically 20 to 150 psi. The average composition of CNG is as follows: methane 88.5, ethane 5.5, propane 3.7, butane 1.8, pentane is 0.5. Properties: CNG is the cheapest, cleanest and the least environmentally impacting alternate fuel. Vehicles powered by CNG produce less carbon monoxide and hydrocarbon emission. It is less expensive than petrol and diesel. The ignition temperature of CNG is about 550 degrees centigrade. CNG requires more air for ignition. Uses: CNG is used to run an automobile vehicle just like LPG. So advantages of CNG over LPG. CNG produces less pollutant than LPG. CNG is cheaper and cleaner than LPG. The octane rating of the CNG is high, hence thermal efficiency is more. It does not evolve sulfur and nitrogen gases. It mixes very easily with the air than the other gaseous fuels. Noise level is much less than diesel, and the CNG vehicle limit is 40% less of nitrogen dioxide, 90% less of hydrocarbon and 25% less of carbon dioxide. So it is a cleaner gas, cleaner fuel. LPG is obtained as a byproduct during the fractional distillation of the crude petroleum oil or by cracking of heavy oil. It consists of propane and butane. It can be readily liquefied under pressure, so it can be economically stored and transported in cylinders. Composition: the average composition of LPG is as follows: N-butane 38.5, isobutane 37, propane 24.5. The calorific value of LPG is about 25,000 kilocalories per meter cube. Uses: it's used as a domestic and industrial fuel. It's also used as a motor fuel. So there are certain advantages of the LPG over other gaseous fuels. They are: LPG consists of hydrocarbons, so it burns cleanly without leaving any residue. The LPG has higher calorific value than the other gaseous fuels containing hydrogen and carbon monoxide. The calorific value is 7 times higher than the coal gas and 3 times higher than that of the natural gas. So LPG is characterized by high thermal efficiency and heating rate. It's easy to manipulate. Comparatively, it is less of health hazard even in the case of leakage. Needs little care for maintenance. It's free from carbon monoxide, so it is less hazardous. Disadvantages of LPG: over the other gaseous fuel. Due to its faint odor, leakage cannot be easily detected. Its octane value is low. Handling must be done under high pressure. LPG is suitable only for the engine working under high compression ratio. Thank you.